We are at Hamakatsu and I'm going to show you how to make Hamakatsu Sesame Gravy. So this is the bowl and this is the grinder. So first we take some toasted sesame, as much as you would like. Then you use this wooden block and you just go around grinding. You can grind as much as you like, as smooth as you like. As you can see, the sesame is crushed. Then you add a special tonkatsu sauce. You just pour it. And you can add a few drops of mustard just to make it nice and spicy. And there we go, Hamakatsu sauce. Hi, welcome back. So we currently got our food. So as you can see, there's two different types of hamakatsu. This is curry katsu with meat and prawns tempura, and this is the normal katsu with barley rice, and then we have miso soup, and then prawn tempura, and then like chicken cheese cutlets and vegetable. So earlier you saw us mixing the sauce, so now we can mix the sauce. Just take one of your meat, whatever you've chosen, and then just dip and enjoy. Yum. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye.